Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're making what I'm going to call chicken stir fry chow mein. I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to make stir fry or chicken chow mein, so we're just going to throw the two together. And I'm doing this as a video request. RJG, I forget your name, I'm sorry. But he wanted some more food videos, so I'm doing more food videos. Now, I just went to the Walmart, got great value, deluxe stir fry, broccoli, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn cobs, butter, chestnuts, red peppers. Now, I also got Chinese style lo mein noodles. I already cooked these. They're in the pot over there. You can see them. I got some chicken breast already chopped up. There we go. Also, now I didn't get this at the Walmart. I got this at Kroger. Light soy sauce has less sodium in it, about half of it. I don't like the overly salty taste of soy sauce. You can use that if you want to. Use regular soy sauce. As you can see, I use a lot of it. But it's all so good. Now, the reason I did it that way is simple. If you put the chicken in and it's raw, you put soy sauce right in on it, what happens is the raw chicken won't absorb the soy sauce. So you cook it a little bit, get the chicken dried out a little bit, get some of that moisture out, then you add the soy sauce. Go ahead and let that cook a little while. Try to keep it as a single layer, that way you can keep it cooked a little more evenly. Go ahead and just try to cut one of these open, see what it looks like. You don't see no pink, that's good. So what we're going to do, we're going to strain it. Get some of that liquid off. We're going to put it in the pot with our chow mein noodles. Now, our vegetables, what I do is, I get a container, I put a couple paper towels in there, let it thaw overnight, that way it dries it out. You don't have watery vegetables. You can see all the water that it absorbed. Now the reason I know some people will throw all this together, and that's fine if that's what you want to do. But the thing is, it's harder for me to judge. I like my chicken cooked this way. Okay? Now if I throw it all together, my vegetables might not get cooked as much as I like them because I don't want my chicken overcooked, or vice versa. So that's why I'm doing everything separate. Some more soy sauce. It's starting to sizzle a little. Give it a little toss around in the pan. Now I can't tell you how long it's going to take to cook because one, it's basically on your taste how cooked you want them. Some people like a little bit of char on them, which I find strange, but they serve stir fry or chicken chow mein. You can do it however they want. Do yours however you want. Now you can see I don't have a lot of moisture on the bottom, and that's kind of what you want. If you end up with a lot of moisture, just go ahead and strain it. Because water's not your friend when it comes to this, trust me. I'm going to turn this off. Slide this over. I'm going to put this over here where there ain't no heat. I'm going to go ahead, stir it up. Now remember, you can always add more soy sauce to it. You can't take it away once it's in. Get some noodles. And there you go. Like I said, you can add more soy sauce to it if you want it. I like doing it this way, and people can just add what they want. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I might be doing some side dishes here in the near future. I'm basically been making like meals. So I'm going to try a couple side dishes, see what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor. Click on that subscribe button. Trust me, I need more subscribers. And as always, thank you for watching.